Are you tired of waiting for web pages to load while using Selenium WebDriver in JavaScript? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to automate tasks. But don't worry, today we're going to solve that problem together. I completely understand your concern. Waiting for a page to load can feel like watching paint dry. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues when working with Selenium. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, what's the best way to wait for a page to fully load using Selenium WebDriver for JavaScript? They referenced a similar question but needed a JavaScript implementation. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So why is waiting for a page to load so important? If your script continues running before the page is fully loaded, it can lead to errors or incomplete data. Understanding how to properly wait for page loads is crucial for successful automation. And stick around. I have a fantastic tip at the end that will make your Selenium scripts even more efficient. To wait for a page to fully load using Selenium WebDriver in JavaScript, the user should utilize the WebDriver's wait functionality. This allows the user to specify conditions that must be met before proceeding. The user can implement a wait condition that checks for the document readiness state. Specifically, they can wait until the document's ready state is complete. Next, the user should place this wait condition right after the command that navigates to the desired URL. This ensures that the script pauses until the page is fully loaded. Finally, after the page has fully loaded, the user can proceed with any further actions, such as interacting with elements on the page. Fun fact, did you know that the first web page ever created is still online? It was published by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. Just imagine how far we've come since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user offers an alternative approach to waiting for a page to fully load in WebDriverJS. They suggest creating a function called waitForPageLoad, which compares the HTML IDs before and after a click. If the IDs differ, it indicates that the new page has loaded. The function also checks for the expected title within a specified timeout. Additionally, they provide a method called getWindowHandlesAndExpectedPageInfo. This function waits for a new window handle after a click and confirms the expected title before returning the title and URL of the new page. Lastly, they include a helper function called waitForWindowHandleCount, which ensures the expected number of window handles is present before proceeding. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative approach suggested by a user involves using the until condition from the Selenium WebDriver library. This allows you to wait for specific elements to be present or visible on the page before proceeding. Here's that fantastic tip I promised. Always set a timeout for your waits. This ensures that your script doesn't hang indefinitely if the page fails to load. And there you have it. You now know how to wait for a page to fully load using Selenium WebDriver in JavaScript. Remember, proper waits can save you a lot of headaches in automation. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.